Drums for success.
Oh my gosh, let's get to it. That beauty back there, my electric acoustic kit. Let's talk about it. Hey, it's TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success. So excited to tell you guys about my new set, my electric acoustic hybrid kit. It's really amazing. Dude, man, like, I don't know, monumental. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys what the kit looks like. So check out the kit. We got 16-inch bass drum, 12-inch snare, 10-inch tom, 12-inch tom. We got another 8-inch tom on there, and then we got some low volume cymbals that I triggered, put some triggers on for my Alexis kit. There's a forward module which I have hooked into my actual computer, which I run sound. So on this kit, I'm actually running, for a sound source, I'm using SSD 5. This is the Thud Rocker kit. Trigger's really great. Let me show you guys a sound volume comparison. Sound comparison wise, it reminds me of the old school Remo practice pads for the snare, but the toms, they have a little bit of tone to them. You can maybe put on earphones to hear the difference, right? The depth to it, it has some depth to it, it has some weight to it, so it doesn't feel like I'm just playing on air, right? And that's the biggest comparison I could say between these and mesh heads. So with the triggers on, it triggers really great, very responsive. And this is just me turning it on. I haven't adjusted sensitivity or anything like that, but right, low volume, fairly decent. I haven't again, I haven't adjusted sensitivity, but when I dig in, right, I can play this kit like a regular kit. All in all, this is an amazing kit, man. I only paid $250 for it. Well, technically, I sold something and for $100 and paid another $150 on top of that. So really only wind up paying $150, which is really awesome. Kits like this on the market go from anywhere brand new $800 and up. I haven't seen too many hybrid kits like this that actually have the real heads and the real drums and stuff like that. I know Roland starting to come up with stuff like that, but I think they're potentially using mesh heads, which for me, if I'm playing on mesh heads, sometimes it just literally feels like I'm playing air. So it's good for me to have the give of the actual kit, and the just the feel of it is really great, man. So if you check out any of my one of my other videos, a creative expression video, I was playing this kit in there. It really sounds good, and for the price point that I got it at, you just can't beat it, man. So I'm dumb excited. Yeah. So I'm TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, saying welcome to my new hybrid acoustic electric kit. And what should I name it? Like, what should I name it? Drop in the comments, leave me some name suggestions, and yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll do another video talking about my journey, how I got the process of starting there and getting there. So, oh my gosh, yes.
Drums for success.